In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a group in Microsoft Teams. Now, whether it's for tidying up your workspace or removing a team that's no longer needed, deleting a group in Teams is a straightforward process. But before diving into it, it's essential to remember that you'll need the right permissions. Only team owners or administrators have the capability to delete a team, so ensure you have the necessary authority to proceed. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams. You can do this by launching the application installed on your computer or accessing it via a web browser. Sign in using your organizational or Microsoft account if prompted. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Teams tab on the left sidebar. Click on it. This tab displays all the groups or teams you're part of, so have a scroll through to find the one you wish to delete. After locating the team, hover your mouse over its name. You'll see a three-dot icon, often called the More Options button, appear next to it. Click on this icon. A drop-down menu will surface, providing several options related to team management. From this list, select Manage Team to open the Team's management interface. Within this interface, you can view and adjust various settings and permissions associated with the team. On the top navigation bar inside this section, look for the Settings tab. Click it to proceed. Scrolling through the settings, you'll find an option that says Delete the team. Now, it's crucial to understand that this action is irreversible. Deleting a team will remove all associated conversations, files, and channels permanently. So, double-check that you've backed up any important data before moving forward with deletion. Once you're certain about deleting the team, go ahead and click the Delete the Team option. A prompt will appear, asking for confirmation. This is your last chance to back out if you're unsure, but if you're ready, confirm the deletion. Microsoft Teams will then process your request and remove the team from your list. Depending on the size of your team and data, this process can take a brief moment, so don't worry if it's not instant. And there you have it. Your team has been successfully deleted. Keep in mind, if you ever encounter difficulties or changes that you didn't authorize, it's a good practice to contact your IT department or administrator, as they can provide assistance and ensure that everything runs smoothly within your organization. Remember, managing teams efficiently helps maintain an uncluttered and organized digital workspace, making collaboration that much simpler and more effective for everyone involved. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.